Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Start by opening calendar. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Then tap on the month above and pick a date. I will go with that one. Then create an event by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choosing event and customizing it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour, choose location by tapping on add location, choosing while using the app or only this time, typing the correct one and clicking on the address. You can also set up notifications minutes or hours or weeks before and even change color. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner, making your changes and tapping on save again. If you wish to delete it though, click on it again, but this time click on those three dots over here, tap on delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!